So if you are scared of oil and salt and butter, you're in the wrong part of the country, okay? I'm Chef P. My government name, Felisha Nicholson. I've always loved cooking for as long as I can remember. My parents always involved me in the kitchen. I learned how to cook at a very young age, and I just never stopped. One of my favorite things about being at my grandmother's house and my auntie's house was coming in and smelling all of the foods being prepared. One of my favorite foods to smell when it's being prepared is fried chicken. The entire family just about cooks. Yeah, my mom bakes. My dad does barbecue. My brother does barbecue. My older brother does barbecue. My younger brother cooks. My sister bakes the most amazing cheesecakes. We literally all cook. So this is really, really home to me. It feels like home to me to be able to cook chicken the way that they did it. Pancakes are my first thing to make in the kitchen. It's one of the simplest things to try at home when you're just learning how to cook anyway. I was voluntold. So definitely it wasn't like you really had a choice. Most days it was like, okay, we're gonna snap peas today, or we're gonna, come in the kitchen and help out. But eventually, I really, really enjoyed doing it. I didn't want to stop. Snapping peas became therapeutic. And so, it just was something that was innate for my family. It was something we did as a bonding thing in our household. I eventually grew up and made a business of it. I tried to do other things. I taught. I was the elementary math specialist for the district. And I just decided I was going to follow my passion, and now I'm here. We actually own a property off of Centerville Road. It's called Henry Hill Park. And that park has just been passed down from generation to generation. My great-great-grandfather was a slave here, and that land was gifted to him. And so we've kept it in the family. Every year we do the 20th of May celebrations there, which is our emancipation. And so we have this huge celebration there where we invite people from all over the city, surrounding counties to come, enjoy food, enjoy fellowship. And we have poetry readings and speeches and live bands, and we wrap the maypole. It's a whole thing. So my family has been here for forever. Gumbo probably is my favorite thing to cook. I love cooking gumbo. I love doing different types of gumbo, seafood gumbo, chicken and sausage gumbo, just gumbo. I'm part Creole. I have family in Louisiana as well as in California. I grew up not knowing a lot about that side of my family, the Creole side of my family. So I really spent the past few years just really trying to delve into cooking those dishes and really feeling closer to home with them. I hope they feel home too. I hope they feel the comfort there. And I also hope that they will find these recipes simple enough to where they're able to go home and try them for their families, so that it just continues to build and grow. And then they have recipes that they can pass down to their children and their children's children. I just really hope that it's something that people will just want to try and just experiment with and make it their own.